Okay, practice math set number 6. Question 1. The child's dose of gentamicin is 2.5 to 3.5 milligrams per kilogram per day in equally divided doses. Determine the dose range when the infant weighs 12 pounds. First, let's convert pounds to kilograms. So 12 pounds, one child. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So cancel out the pounds. So 12 kilograms over 2.2. So 12 divided by 2.2 is 5.454545. And we'll leave that in the calculator so that it's accurate. So for the dose ranges, our lower dose range is the 2.5 and our upper is the 3.5 milligrams per kilograms per day. So let's start with 2.5. We will multiply their weight by the dose. So 5.45 times 2.5. Go back to the calculator, multiply it by 2.5. 13.636 milligrams. Label everything. And then we are going to round it to the hundredths spot, so that equals 13.64 milligrams. For the 3.5, let's go back to the calculator. There's our weight again, so we're going to multiply it by 3.5 milligrams, 19.09 milligrams. Double check that that's correct. Yes, it is. So those, double check something, 6.4, yep, okay. So the dose range, how you'd write it is 13.64 milligrams to 19.09 milligrams is the dose range. The order reads D4W 1,000 mLs at 125 mLs per hour. How many hours are required to administer this IV fluid? So we have 1,000 mLs at 125 mLs per hour. How many hours are required to administer this fluid? So our answer is going to be in hours. Okay, so we have 1,000 mLs for the dose. And we're doing mLs, 125 mLs per hour. So cancel out the mLs. 1,000 times 1 is 1,000. 125 times 1 is 125. So 1,000 divided by 125 is 8. So it will take 8 hours to administer this dose. Double check that. Yeah, that's correct. Number 3, the order is cefazolin sodium 500 milligrams IM every 8 hours. The vial is labeled 1,000 milligrams per ml. How many milliliters will be given with each dose? So our answer is going to be in milliliters. The order is 500 milligrams per each dose. The vial is 1,000 milligrams per ml. So cross cancel. 500 times 1 is 500. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. 500 divided by 1,000 is 0.5 mLs per dose. Okay, number 4. Your order is to give 3/4 strengths Gevity feedings while awake per feeding tube. For a 400 ml bag, how much Gevity and water would you give? All right, so the strength is 3/4 for Gevity. So 3/4 is 75%. That means that 25% is going to be water. So to calculate the water, you do 400 times 0.25, and this is mLs. So 400 times 0.25 is 100. I probably didn't need a calculator for that. So 100 mLs, oops, M's already there. And for Gevity, we could multiply by the 400 by 0.75, which would be 300, or we could do 400 is what's total, and then we know 100 is going to be water, and so 300 must be left over of Gevity.